Hello, my followers and viewers. So, I have some parts at my home that I'm just going to use to build this bike. This is what it looks like thus far. I purchased this frame some time ago, but I had to change it out due to some issue I was experiencing at the time. And I'm going to encounter that issue once more that I'm going to sort out. I actually built this sprocket. This was another crankset, 5-strand crankset that I removed the sprocket that was on it, cut it off, and install this one. So it's gonna be one sprocket at the front. So this is where I have the issue the last time. There is no hanger for the derailleur, so I am going to build one. I hope it doesn't take a year to build like the last time I built one for the Nakamura that I am currently selling the front part, because the Nakamura have a crack right here, so I'm selling the Nakamura. So I actually built the hanger for the Nakamura. It was two of them at the time, but I went ahead and built the hanger for the Nakamura. But I'm going to build one for this one. I think I'm gonna build it off steel. There are some quarter-inch steel that I see sometime in shops, so I'm gonna get piece of it and just use it to build it. So this is what it looks like so far. Oh, these are my old Avid brakes. They were the first set of disc brake this caliper that I purchased, well, that I own. Right now I'm doing hydraulic. So this is what the front one look like. Yep. So that's that. So if you know anybody interested in the Nakamura, the front part of it, you can tell them to DM me and we'll see what can happen. When I purchased these, I was so excited, guys. I was so excited for these. This is actually steel. The front part is aluminum. Well, because I have these parts and I'm not doing anything with them, I'm just going to use them up. This is a Nakamura that I'm actually selling. The front part. The part at the bottom, it's broken, so I remove it. This is what left of it. So you purchase this, I'm going to give you this with it. I don't know, maybe your one is damaged or something, but you can always put it down as spare part. The fittings, all the fittings are in it. So anybody interested in the Nakamura, if you have one that is broken, you can always purchase this one, right? If you have one that is broken, you can purchase this one. So you can DM me and we discuss prices.